So now you have a seafood meat and mart. So the seafood meat and mart, they're right here. So all of your seafood, you get it right here. So burger, franks, goat, poultry, frozen eggs, berries, nuggets, right here. So you see it. So I'm just collect my package. Yeah, quick and fast. And I touch back on the street I know, you see it? Yeah man, touch back on the street.
Ikaw na rin sa'yo yung carpet, di ba? Because it's next media.
See the paper? Early. Like it's a furniture store right here, so or is it out here? I'm not sure. Right, this is a foodies. Oh. What nice little street, man. Nice little street. I think so they fix Alright, so we're on next street now. This street leads right to the police station street. I'm not sure what that street is name, no people. Oh boy. But people, I'm just going to watch a video see how yeah? Man, like and share. So this is the Portland National Housing Trust. I have a pizza shop right here, pizza corner, Italian. Then phone number is 876-855-7705. Yeah, right on the corner here. So it is right next to Shakora. Right here, so you have a Minister of Labour office. So right up here, so now you have City Center Plaza, Morgan Plaza. Yeah, Morgan Plaza. Up here, so you find ASAP. Yeah, that shipping company I always use. Right there, so you have Payless. So I'm gonna walk with me, see you here. Let's go to ASAP. See what's going up at ASAP. These people have an eyeglass place right here. So you see it. What in here? Then optical. Yeah, Quartz Optical. Right here, so they have the phone store and accessories, Apple support tech. So we're going upstairs now. See the people? This is the way to ASAP. Alright people, so I'm just coming out of ASAP. I never really get to do enough video in there, you know, people, because of circumstances, you see it. So I'm just collect my package, yeah, quick and fast. And I touch back on the street I know, you see it? Yeah man, touch back on the street. Check your nice worker. You good? Alright people, so if you're there in the town, you want someone to park on the vehicle. Normally you pay a fee, Normally you pay a fee and park your vehicle right over here. So I think $250 in charge. Right over here, so on the corner there, so we have an ice cream shop. So we're near to the Texaco gas station at this moment. I have one little fruit stall right here. And this is a one-way street. You notice this is a one-way street. Yeah, one way. So this is the big Texaco gas station. So this is the heart. So if you want to take a vehicle taxi, you up here see where you come. To go to Buff Bay or go to Boston, you're on the side here where you come. Place busy today still, look like see a throw there. Yeah man, the place busy today. Place well busy today people. See there we approach the Portland Jerk restaurant right on the ends. That's it. Now we approach float, the float right as well. Police station right on the ends, as I see we was mentioned earlier. Yeah. Right on the corner, so. Alright, I think some people that ask me, where is City Center Plaza? So over there is City Center Plaza. So I go just wheel around the town, you see it? I wheel around the town and show the City Center Plaza. And come right round back. There's a lot of walking, you know. But I don't mind. So this is G&L Wholesale. So basically the supermarket where it burned down right at market there, so. Right here so then they know, you see it? Yeah man, I see him place. And as I tell you, no, Scotia Bank right there, so there was an explosion. So them still renovate the same way, you see it? Yeah, in a done work on it. So we're there at City Center Plaza, you know. I have one nice little pharmacy right in here, so. I want to go in there and see if I can get a dangerous or something, because I have dangerous. So I want to go in there, but I want to show you I'm going for the plaza here first though. When you see it, they renovate the plaza. Photo studio used to be right there, so print the ID and thing, but then move. It's not there again. Up there so you have a party shop. Yeah, party decoration and everything. Up there so now you have a loan office. Right over there so now you have one Verity store. And I think up to the rooftop you have a herbal shop. You can go up to the herbal shop and get natural juice and all them something there. Right up to the third story. Right here, so now you have a seafood meat and mart. So the seafood meat and mart there right here. So all of your seafood, you get it right here, so burger, franks, goat, poultry, frozen eggs, berries, nuggets. Right here, so people. So basically, that's it. You have a OBF. So you have 2 loan office upstairs. I'm not sure what I right here, so though. I have our next office right on the Insta too. So basically, I'm going to the pharmacy now. Alright, people. So right now, from video, I do some video people and I can finish the video then. So this vlog today is a very good vlog. Yeah, I'm sure of that. So I'm taking my time going down now. So we come to the end of the vlog. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe people. And You see it, yeah, support the channel, people. Anyway, when you can support it, when you can support it. Yeah, man, Dex Media.